Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. We are here on the west side of Houston near Memorial. We are in a new construction community by Beazer Homes called the Gathering. And so what it is it's a 55 plus community, kind of called a lock and leave kind of community where it is less maintenance and it just allows you to kind of get up and go freely whenever you would like with that flexibility. So I am pleased to present to you a model that they have. This model is called the Clifton, and there are 4 total plans that you have the option of choosing. And this is the model with the least amount of square footage. So I am going to show you around here and see what you think. Hopefully, being Beazer, you will notice the upgrade in finishes, the attention to detail, and just the high quality construction that Beazer has. And so I'm excited to show it to you. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, here we are looking at the Clifton plan. This is the hallway of model homes. This particular plan is 1529 square feet. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. And what I really like about this complex a lot is it's considered a lock and leave community, but also the amenities are amazing. You have indoor and outdoor amenities, plus a private balcony, dog park, putting green, and grilling pavilion. Enjoy.